Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. Today on the chopping block we got macaroni and cheese. Now these are some Italian pastas right here that we're going to incorporate it today. We're making the macaroni and cheese baking dish. This is a glass one. You don't have to have one. If you don't want to, you can use any type of pan you want to. Okay, I got some Kobe cheese right here. I got some Italian cheese right here. I got some cheddar cheese right here. And I got some mozzarella cheese, followed by some cream of cheese. I have some butter, and I have some sour cream right here. And I have 2 cans of evaporated milk right here. And I also have, with this cheese right here, this shredded cheese, shredded Parmesan and Romano. Okay, and I have some prepared mustard right here and some sugar. And you will need a bowl to mix it up in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our pasta over there. We're going to go ahead and get that water to boiling real quick, and I'm going to take you over there. And then after that get done, we're going to mix the noodles up and all that stuff in the pot with the milk and everything, okay? I'll see you over there. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to take us a tablespoon of salt. I'm old fashioned. I'm going to put a little oil in mine. You don't have to. The salt will do the job. I don't like my noodles sticking. Yeah, Italian pasta, macaroni pasta. This is a 1 pound bag. Italian pasta macaroni. That's what that is. Okay, we'll give that a stir. Alright, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's check on this pasta. Been cooking for about 4.5 minutes. So yeah, I think that's done enough. Let me taste one. Perfect. And we're going to go ahead and rinse this off, stop the cooking process, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. What we're going to do here, throw some of this butter in here. We already chopped up. Okay. Get my spray butter out. That's optional. If you want to use it, you can. I don't have that much left in it, but it's enough to do what I need to do. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my milk. So we're going to pour our evaporated milk in there. I got it on simmer for now. Alright. Go ahead and put the rest of this butter in here. Alright. Excuse me. Feel like I got a frog in my throat. Now I'm going to add some more salt to it. Well, I'm going to add some salt to it, but I ain't going to put that regular salt in. I'm going to put this fine salt in there, the sea salt. Not too much, because remember, cheese got a lot of salt. Alright. So we got our cream cheese. Cup of that. That butter was a stick of butter. And I put like a teaspoon and a half, well no, just a half a teaspoon of salt in it. So this is like a cup. So for this one stick of cream cheese. Just gonna mix that bad boy around. Trust me, when you make this recipe, you ain't gonna want to make no macaroni and cheese like that, like you used to make ever again. I guarantee. So, got some sour cream. We'll put like a cup of that in there. Okay. Sour cream. Turn this on 2. I can use eggs, but I ain't finna do all that. I don't like to do the eggs. I don't like them fluffy. For those that like them fluffy, you can use an egg or you can make a roux up. I know how to do all that. I just don't do that. This one's effective enough for me. Okay. I guarantee you, when you make it. I dare you. You're gonna be like, oh, Veldog, man. Oh my God. That dude will be throwing down with that mac and cheese. Alright, we got that in there. Now, I didn't tell you guys about this, but I got some Velveeta cheese that I'm going to incorporate in there. So we want some cheesy sauce, right? So this is like a cup and a half of that. So we want to kind of like let that melt down a little bit. And that's because I don't have foil. Alright. We got some Italian, a cup of that Italian cheese. I'll put that in there. Mix that up. Turn my oven on, 350. Make sure ain't nothing in there. Alright, let's go ahead and put our other cheese. Got a little mozzarella. I'm gonna put a cup in that. Just a cup. We're going to save this for later. Put it on top of it. We got our Kobe cheese. You can't tell me that ain't gonna be good. You can't tell me this not gonna be awesome. Huh? Look at that. Coming together already, huh? Alright. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and get this other mustard. I got a tablespoon of that. Look at that cheese. Tablespoon of mustard, pear mustard. Mix that in there a little bit. Alright. Look at that. Ooh, Jesus. We go ahead and get this Parmesan Romano and Asiana cheese. Put like 3 tablespoons of that. We're going to put a half a cup of sharp cheddar. The rest going on top. And we're going to break it down with a little sugar. So 1, 2 tablespoons. Pretty much. Right, you got that? See that? That is some fine macaroni and cheese. Alright. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to meet you over there because I'm going to go ahead and put this in that dish. I'll see you over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just sprayed it down with some of this butter. Alright. Make sure you spray it down. Grab our macaroni and cheese. Let's see if I can pound this bad boy. It's kind of heavy. I can guarantee you that. Put that in there. Okay. Yeah, you guys see that? All that goodness coming out of there. This is the best, cheesiest macaroni and cheese video recipe. The best. I tell you, when I tell you it's the best, it's the best. I guarantee you. Make it. And then comment and tell me what you think. If it's the best or not. Alright, so we got our cheeses. Put some more of this cheddar on it. Remember, it's that half cup. Alright. Then I have here the mozzarella. I just throw them pieces on there. Like that. Now, what I normally do, but since I already got pork, I normally take me some potato chips after it get close to being done, and some bacon, and put it on top of there, followed by a little bit more cheese. I guarantee you this ain't gonna last long at all. I promise you that. It is not. Okay. Alright. Put a little Kobe on there. Just like that. Save a pinch of cheese. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and put that bad boy in the oven. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There you have it. Right there. The best, cheesiest macaroni and cheese recipe on YouTube. So you guys like this video, and please make this recipe. I'm telling you, it's the bomb. So you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Veldog signing out. Enjoy.